Hello everyone. Before we begin with the live demonstration, I would like to briefly explain the problem that our AI hiring pipeline is designed to address. The recruiters spend a significant amount of time searching, screening, comparing, and organizing candidates' information before they can focus on the candidate who matters the most. The challenges that a recruiter has to face is high volume. When there are large number of candidate profiles, reviewing each one of them individually is a great task. The second one which we have is the manual screening, where recruiter needs to go through each and every resume and compare the information available in each profile. Coming upon to the third one is candidate comparison. Recruiter needs to understand how closely each candidate matches the specific requirement of the position. And finally, there is information management. Candidates' information can be from multiple sources, making it difficult to keep everything organized. So the challenge is not simply finding resumes. The real challenge is efficiently identifying the right candidate from a large amount of information. Now, to address these challenges, we have AI hiring pipeline. The pipeline acts as a centralized recruitment assessment that brings the key of the stages candidate discovering, screening, analyzing, and job matching into one single place. The workflow starts with defining a hiring requirements and then moving throughout candidate identification, pipeline insights, candidate analysis, and relevant job openings. The key functions we have here are the smart search, the AI pipeline, the pipeline view, the top matches candidates, and the AI summary. The important point here is these functions are connected as a single structure workflow. This means recruiters can spend less time switching between different tools and time reviewing the information and making informed decisions. Let's start with the first step, defining the hiring requirements. The smart hiring search sections allow recruiters to define what an ideal candidate should look like. Before starting the search, we have several important fields. First, job role, where we define the position that we are hiring for. Next is skills, where we specify important skills that we expect from a candidate. Then we have experience, where we can define the recruiter's experience. We also have location, which allows us to specify the preferred or required location. And finally, we have the minimum match, which allow us to define the desired level of alignment with the hiring requirements. The idea is very simple. The more clear we define our recruitments, the more relevant our candidate results can be. And this is exactly what we'll see when we move into the live demonstration. Once a recruiter has defined hiring requirements, we move to the second stage, running the hiring pipeline. With one click on the Run AI pipeline, the complete workflow is initiated and relevant search are brought into structured dashboard view. The process moves from running the pipeline to processing and evaluating the available information and finally presenting the results to the dashboards inside. Candidates processed show the total number of profiles evaluated against the requirement. Candidates shortlisted represents the profile that meets the defined minimum match threshold. We also have job opportunities where relevant openings are organized and structured. And finally, the pipeline overview gives us the quick snapshot of overall hiring activities. Once the results are generated, the next step is to identify candidates who match the best. The top matching candidate section helps recruiters prioritize profiles that appear most relevant to the current hiring requirements. Instead of starting with every available resume, the recruiters can begin with candidate who appears to have a stronger alignment with the profile. Here we can review the candidate name, profile, which provides relevant professional information at a single glance. We can also review skills and experience, allowing us to quickly understand the candidate's qualification itself. And one of the most important indicator is the match score. Match score provides an easy way to understand how closely a candidate profile aligns with our current hiring requirements. This allows recruiters to prioritize the review and focus their attention where it matters the most. It's important to clarify that the system supports the recruiter. It does not make the final hiring decision. The final hiring decision still remains in the hand of the recruiters itself. Now, the fourth step is understanding the overall candidate pool. The AI analysis summary provides a virtual overview of the candidate results. When we are dealing with a large number of candidates, it becomes difficult to understand the overall picture. So rather than reviewing every profile individually to understand the overview results, recruiters can get the understanding through a quick virtual overview. Now we move to the fifth step, analyzing an individual candidate in more detail. Sometimes after reviewing the overall result, a recruiter may want to take a closer look at the candidate's profile. From this, we can upload and analyze resume functionality. First, we upload the resume, then we select analyze. The application then provides a candidate summary, which gives a structured overview of the candidate's professional background, experience, and skill. Now, finally, we have recommended job openings. This functionalities helps us identify job opportunities that may be relevant to an analytics candidate. Overall, the solution provides our fourth key benefits. First, save time by reducing repetitive screening and information gathering. Second, improve candidate discovery by helping recruiters identify relevant profile faster and prioritize stronger matches. Third, simplify design support by providing structured candidate and pipeline insights. And finally, improve opportunity matching by connecting the suitable candidate with relevant job. I would repeat, the goal is not to replace the recruiters. The goal is to give recruiters better information faster. Now, this is what our interface looked like. First of all, we have our smart hiring search section at the beginning of the application. This is where the recruiters define exactly what type of candidate they're looking for. As we have discussed in the presentation, a better defined requirement help us get more relevant result. Let me demonstrate with an example. First, we have here the job role. For example, let's say we are looking for a Python developer. So we'll simply write here Python developer. The next column which we have is the skills. Here I can specify the important skills that I expect the candidate to have. This allows me to make the requirement more specific rather than relying only on the job title. Now we have the experience. Here I can specify the level of experience required for a particular position. As you can see, there are various options. We can select 0 to 2 years, which also includes the freshers, 2 to 5 years, 5 to 8 years, and 8 plus years. The next section which we have here is the location. If the hiring requirement is specifically to a particular location, I can define that here itself. Now, finally, we have the minimum match. This allows me to define how closely a candidate should align with my requirements before considering it to be a relevant match. Now that I have defined my hiring requirements, I can start the actual process. From that, I can simply click on the Run AI pipeline. The recruitment is processed, the available candidate information will get evaluated, and relevant results will be showed to us within a minute. Now, we can see the results have been generated. So, rather explaining each output theoretically, let's look at what we have actually searched has produced. Now, first of all, here you can see the pipeline overview. This gives us a quick snapshot of hiring activities that just has taken place. Here we can understand how many candidates' profiles were processed, how many candidates were shortlisted, how many successful matches has been found, and the number of emails that has been sent and the number of failed emails. So instead of manually calculating or maintaining these numbers separately, the recruiters can get a quick overview directly on the dashboards. Now next we have top matching candidates. This is where we can see the result of hiring requirement that we have entered earlier. Instead of starting with every available resume, the application helps us prioritize the profile that appears most relevant to our requirement. Here we can see the candidate information present in a structure table. We can review the candidate name, the role, the company, and the match score is also available over here. This makes the initial screening process much more focused, and an important point here is that is a success support mechanism for the recruiters. The system does not make the final hiring decision. The recruiter remains in the control of the final evaluation and the selection. Next, we have the AI analysis summary. When we have a large number of candidates, looking at individual profile one by one can still take time. The analysis summary gives us a virtual understanding of the overall candidate pool. Instead of looking at every profile individually, we can quickly understand how candidates are distributed across different matching levels. This helps identifying stronger and weaker matches at just a single glance. It also gives me an overview picture of the candidate pool and helps me decide where I need to perform a deeper individual review. Now, moving on to the next functionality of our application. Now we have upload and analyze resume over here. So far, we have looked at the results generated from our overall hiring requirement. But what if we have one particular resume that I wanted to examine more in detail? For that, we can have upload and analyze resume functionality. Let me demonstrate this with a demo resume. Once the resume is uploaded, I can click on analyze. The application now processes the resume and presents the candidate information in a structured format. This takes us simply from having a resume document to having a structured candidate insights in one place. Now, this is the candidate summary. This gives us a structured overview of the candidate's professional background, the experience, skills, and other relevant information available from the resume. Instead of manually searching through the entire resume to find important information, the recruiters can get initial understanding of the candidate from this summary itself. As you can see, here is the role defined as the front-end developer. The location is also mentioned. The email, the skill sets are also mentioned. The purpose is to make the initial review more faster. Now, next we have our resume quality. This provides an assessment of how well the resume presents the candidate information. It can help areas that may need attention and give recruiters another perspective when evaluating the profile. This is useful because recruiters are not only interested in who the candidate is, but also in how clearly the candidate's professional information has been organized. And finally, we have the candidate analysis. This brings the candidate information together in a structured way. As you can see, here are the sectors, resume strengths that are clear job roles, technical skill sets. It also mentioned the missing information, which is phone number and experience in this case. The advanced detail, which is the skill set of the individual person that process. Now, now we have is next finding matching jobs. This functionality works from the candidate perspective. Once we have analyzed a candidate, we can identify job opportunities that may be relevant to the candidate. This becomes particularly useful when an organization has multiple openings. For example, a candidate may not be strongest fit for the position they might have originally applied for, but their skill and experience may make them suitable for another opening. Instead of losing the candidate, we can explore other opportunity that may be relevant to their profile. This helps us make it better use of the candidate pool. Now, simply by clicking on finding matching jobs, we can find the top matching jobs available on the portal. Now here we have recommended job openings. Rather than requiring the recruiters to review every available opportunity, the application prioritizes the opportunity that appears more relevant. The job information is displayed in an organized format so the recruiters can quickly understand the important details such as job title, company, when it was posted, and also the email ID. Now, this brings us to the end of our application. Let me give you an entire overview of our application once again. We started with a recruiter dashboard, which is this complete dashboard we have on the left side. Then we clicked on the Run AI pipeline from the Smart Search Hiring. Here we have mentioned our entered the job role, skills, experience, location, and minimum match. We viewed the pipeline overview to understand the overview activities more clearly. Then we moved to the top catching mandate to see which candidates align most closely with the recruitments. The match scores generated help us quickly understand and prioritize the relevant profiles. Then the AI analysis helps us to give a virtual look to what it looks like. After that, we demonstrate how a recruiter can upload an individual resume. We uploaded a candidate resume, clicked on analyze. The application generated a candidate summary, candidate analysis, resume quality information to help us quickly understand the profile. Finally, we reviewed the recommended job openings to identify opportunities that may be suitable for the candidate. So, from defining a recruitment to identifying candidates, analyzing resumes, and recommended relevant job opportunities, the complete workflow can be managed through a single dashboard. Now, coming upon to why this is useful for recruiters. The main advantage of our application is simplicity and time saving. Traditional requirements often involves multiple repeated activities. So instead of doing that, we can simply do it by a AI hiring pipeline. So, through a single interface, recruiter can define their hiring requirements, run the hiring pipelines, review top matching candidate, understand the overall candidate pool, analyze individual resumes, and even evaluate them based on their quality and relevant job openings. The goal is not to replace the recruiter judgment. The goal is to provide recruiters with the right information in a faster, simpler, and more organized way so they can make a better informed decision. Thank you for watching this video.